Yes, I'm in the same clothes. I've recorded a video back to back, so this is the second one. And this video is going to touch on a clone of a popular app, Morpheus TV. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. A lot of you still use it. This is a great clone of it. This is Black Panther, coming up. Welcome back to the channel, hope you guys are well, and yes, we are going to take a look at the latest version of the Morpheus clone that works on Firestick or Android TV box, and I'm going to show you how to download it, where to download it from, and what the app looks like. So if you guys want to get more apps like this and be the first to know of the latest streaming APKs or even news, then consider subscribing, smash that thumbs up button. That would be a big help. So let's head on over to the Android TV box, and as you can see at the top here, we have Black Panther. Now, as I said, don't worry, all the links will be down below, and I'm going to show you how to install it super easy. So to be able to download, we're going to need to accept the access to the media storage, and I don't want them to record audio, so I'm going to deny that. Don't know why it's needed. Anyway, this is Black Panther. You can see it's very itchy nose. You can see it's very similar to Morpheus, and that's because it's a clone of it. So if we head on over to the settings, you can change the player settings, your provider and sources. Of course, you can download stuff to Black Panther itself, and you can enable torrents. Now, word of advice, as always, warning in fact, if you're going to download torrents or stream torrents, 100% use a VPN, and if you want 87% off, a massive discount off a reliable VPN that gives you up to 10 different connections, then I'll leave the link in the video description at the top. So you can also customize your notification settings. So if we head on over to movies, you've got your trending, popular, favorites, watch list, and you can also search. So heading over to trending, you can see it's exactly the same as Morpheus because it's an updated clone. This also has casting support as well. So if you're on a mobile device, you can cast it to your TV. Many people like that feature, especially on your phone, so great that it's included. And you can see all the latest films are here, and some of the oldest. So after clicking your film, you get your synopsis. Black Panther will then generate some links, and as always, it's just a case of clicking the link. It will then search for any subtitles that's available, which there is none, and then click play, and it starts playing. But that's how easy it is. So you've got that for all your movies, all your popular movies, and then if you go back, you've also got the same for TV shows. All the latest and popular shows are going to be right here. And to show you they are updated, if we head on over to season 5 of Peaky Blinders, episode 4, which was released this week, is already on there. I also like how the wallpapers change in the background. Looks nice, subtle, but sweet. So that is it. I don't need to show you anymore. This is what the app looks like. Let's show you how you can download it. So I'm on Android TV box. If you guys are on Firestick, the method is the same, except that you need to go to the downloader app right now, whereas on Android or Android TV box, you would go to Chrome. And then on the downloader app on Firestick or Chrome on Android TV, head on over to streamdroid.org. And then we're going to go to the download section. Now again, if you're on mobile device and you do want that 87% off, it's in the menu right there. Big discount, definitely one to take advantage of. Anyway, on the downloads page, we're going to scroll down to the movies and shows section. There's tons of different apps on this page. So if you haven't added it to your favorites already, make sure you do that. For easy access, it gets updated every single day. But after scrolling down under movies and shows, you can see Black Panther is going to be right there. So click that and then you'll be redirected to the downloads page. Once you're on this downloads page, scroll down and click the download link, and your download will then start after a few seconds. Once it does, click on download. And once it's finished, you can go ahead and open it, follow the install, and you will then have Black Panther installed to your Firestick or your Android TV box. That's how easy it is. So guys, let me know what apps you're using so I can pump out some videos on this channel. And if you did find it useful or you like this app in any way, smash that thumbs up button. Hit subscribe, and I'll update you as soon as more apps come out. Check out some of the videos towards the outro, and I'll be back with another one soon. I'll see you in the next one.